Hey guys, good morning everyone. Uh, as you know that yesterday I have completed this chapter and today I am going to summarize this chapter. Okay, so without wasting any of kind of time, let's start summarizing the story. Okay, so let's see. Uh, we have seen, it is a story about a dog who unknowingly becomes a hero, right? We know that how he became a hero, really, but before reaching on conclusion, let's summarize the chapter and then we'll come to an conclusion. Okay. As we have seen in the story, the puppy did not have a very good appearance and was not playful. His name was decided by the owner of the house where he was living. The name what came in discussion was Tiger, Caesar, Fire, Thunder, right? But at last it was fixed at Attila. His appearance was scary and he was about 20 inches high when he stood. He welcomed all the persons who usually came to that house, like bill collector, a postman, tradesman, and family friends. But sometimes it was embarrassing with his friendly behavior, as sometimes, which means while greeting people who come to that house, they get afraid that Attila will harm. And when this happened, Attila could feel guilty and started to say sorry and asked to forgive him until anyone could pat on his head. The family mother was not also not happy with Attila's behavior because he became a blind worm and she told that she ate the food equal to an elephant but not capable of catching flower thieves. But the defender of the dog, Attila, told that he has another work other than this, like looking after the houses. He don't sleep in the night at all. This warned the mother, but and she told that please lock him up, otherwise he will call a burglar and he will not bark even. One day a burglar came into house to took all the valuable things from the almirah and trunks, and his name was Ranga. He was a gang coolie and did road mending works. Suddenly Attila came and jumped and landed on his thigh, and licked his hand. The Ranga told that I hope your dog go from there and for means I hope your dog will not bark and you will let me to go out. And Attila did same. He did not bark at all and let him to go from there. But for letting him go, he followed him back because his great wish was to roam freely on the road. He lived with Ranga for many days, but one day a family member, the youngest member, came and looked at Attila and shouted on Attila. Both Ranga and Attila started to run because Ranga was the burglar who theft jewelry from that house. Attila was running because he don't wanted to go back to the house and wanted to support his friend Ranga. And he stuck to Ranga and came in front of Ranga, and unknowingly Ranga fell down, and from him a jewelry part fell down, which was recognized by the youngest man where Attila was living earlier. Then youngest man sat over him, caught policeman came and took all the jewelry from him. And this is the reason how Attila became a hero. But he was not able to speak. He was like an animal. He was not able to speak, and this is the reason he was understood wrong that he helped them to find the burglar and find the jewelry and valuable items. But that was not really the matter. Okay. So now Attila came back to that house and he was now admired by even he was admired by the mother who was not satisfied with his behavior. Now mother is also supporting and admiring Attila. Okay, this is all about the chapter. Okay, so now we'll discuss the exercises of this chapter. Okay, on the basis of your understanding of the story, take the suitable answer. You have to answer it in the comment section. Okay, I will give you the answer. The choice of names for the puppy suggested that the family loved the pup, was very creative, expected it to be ferocious, yeah, had never had a pet earlier. What can be the correct answer? First, second, third, fourth. I will give the answer at the last, okay? You just write the answers of your and I'll say. A का क्या होगा? First, second, third, fourth. B. He would behave as if he was sorry for even giving an idea of violence. This shows that the dog was unintelligent, gentle, scared, या funny. What will be the correct answer for the B? Whether it is 1, 2, 3 or 4. Question number C. Attila followed the burglar to nab him, scare him, make friends, या get attention. What can be the C correct answer? First, second, third, fourth. Oh, are you done with your answers? Can I say the answers now? Okay. So the choice of name for the puppy suggested that the family, because they loved the pup. Yeah, they loved the little pup. Earlier, they loved it. They loved him very much. Okay. After his behavior, they got really unsatisfied, or they were not admiring him. Second, he would behave as if he was sorry for every, even given an idea of violence. This shows that the dog was, the dog was gentle, means kind, because he always greeted the people with a smile and could not, means he did not want to harm anyone. See, Attila followed the burglar to make friends, okay, because he wanted to move freely on the road and he wanted a friend whom and he liked to stay with him. Okay, so this way the correct answer. A का होगा first, B का होगा second and C का होगा third. Okay. Now see, what were the names that were considered for the puppy? What were the names considered by the puppy? You know the answers, right? You can give the answers. कौन कौन सा नाम consider किया गया था puppy का? You can answer it. And what does Attila mean? So I will give this answer. Attila mean little father. Okay. Attila was a king. Earlier, it was the king and the name of the king who was the means king of the tribes of Huns. Okay, the most successful barbarian invader of Roman Empire. Means he was the man who was quite powerful king. Okay, of tribes. So Attila means that, and Attila means little father. Okay. But as time passed, our Attila showed a love of humanity which was sometimes upsetting. मीन्स जब टाइम पास हुआ तो अटीला के बिहेवियर से कभी कभी अपसेटिंग हो जाता कुछ चीज़. वाई? Because how did Attila express his love? Attila expressed his love because by whenever the bell rang on the door, he quickly go there to greet them, whoever comes there. Why was it upsetting? It was upsetting because sometimes people think that he is there to harm anyone, and that is the reason of greeting or his scary look. People get afraid that he is going to harm them. So that is why was upsetting. What is the tone of the writer? Okay, now R.K. Narayan, what is his tone? His tone is like quite gentle. Yeah, because he know that how Attila was and how his reaction or gesture is expressed, how he behave with the people. Means it shows this love of humanity by Attila. So he is admiring or means giving this. What was mother's opinion of Attila? Yeah, mother's opinion of Attila was not good because she was not satisfied with him and told that he is eating a lot like an elephant, but he is not able to catch the thieves also, who is means like who is who is thieving that flowers from the garden. Was she right in her criticisms? No, she was not right in criticism. Okay, because reason is that she doesn't know that why this Attila is behaving like this. Okay, because of his scary look, people got afraid, and he sat somewhere in the corner in the house, and that is the reason everyone think that he is a blind worm. who don't जिसको किसी को भी इफेक्ट पड़ता ही नहीं है डॉग को कि क्या हो रहा क्या नहीं हो रहा, बट शी वॉज राइट, शी वॉज not right in her criticism. Okay, why was Ranga annoyed with Attila? Yeah, Ranga was annoyed with Attila because wherever he was going, Attila was following him there. Means जहाँ जहाँ वो जा रहा था and he was following, means Attila was following Ranga. How did family member react to Attila's disappearance? Not ever. Some of the family members were not happy with Attila disappearance, but the mother was quite happy because on the price, on the gift of that jewelry, burglar ने dog को ले गया, and it is very good. It is very thankful कि उसने वो ले गया because वो यहाँ पे रह के भी कुछ नहीं करता था, so it's better कि उसको वहाँ से ले गया. Attila fooled everybody by the way of good fortune rather than by his abilities as a guard. We have to justify this answer that really Attila fooled everybody by the way of good fortune. Yeah, of course. अगर अतीला बोल पाता तो पता चल जाता कि वो क्या मीन करता, वो घर से बाहर वो क्यों वहाँ पहुँचा एंड ऑल, ये सब चीज़ पता चल जाता. इट जस्ट बिकॉज वो बोल नहीं पाया, उसके गुड लक के कारण ही फूल्ड एवरीवन. या ऑफ कोर्स ही फूल्ड हिम, ही फूल्ड एवरीवन, क्योंकि रियलिटी तो किसी को पता ही नहीं है ना कि हाउ व्हाट हैपेंड एक्चुअली. Notice that in the story, the narrator never comments as to whether Attila's actions are good or bad. The narrator remains unbiased throughout the story. Unbiased मतलब एक तरफा होके मतलब उसने डिसीजन नहीं सुनाया. ही जस्ट रिलेज द फैक्ट टू द रीडर, और ये हम लोग पे छोड़ दिया दैट हाउ विल थिंक वेदर Attila was good or bad. Okay, do you think that Attila is a good dog to have at home? No, not at all, not at all, because वो बर्गलर को चोरी करने दिया, और इवन इफ वो बर्गलर के साथ चला भी गया, और अगर ऐसे कुत्ते मीन्स ऐसे डॉग रहेंगे तो इट विल अफेक्ट आवर हाउस, राइट. चोर भी आ जाएंगे, सारे वैल्यूबल थिंग्स लेके चले जाएंगे, एंड वी विल हैव नथिंग. डू यू थिंक Attila deserve that status of a hero? No, actually no, really no. Give reason. Because he didn't do anything intentionally, unintentionally हो गया that he ran behind Ranga, and Ranga के pocket से या किसी चीज़ से वो piece of jewelry निकल गया, but that was not appreciable, and that was really not good, so he does not deserve the status of a hero. Okay, now well, let's move to vocabulary. Synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms means the having same meaning, and antonyms having opposite meanings. Okay, so here from the given means box options, you have to choose two synonyms for each word, and one antonyms for each word. Okay, so let's start. As I have given in the assignment also, you can give the answers also in the comment section कि smoothly का क्या होगा, auditory का क्या होगा, persuade का क्या होगा, launch का क्या होगा, और swarming का क्या होगा. ठीक है, you can use synonyms or antonyms. आप you can write it there in the comment section कि smoothly का क्या होगा. Okay, so I'll give you some time for that, and later I'm going to discuss the next exercise of this chapter. Okay, so smoothly का क्या क्या होगा, synonyms and antonyms. Smoothly का synonyms होगा effortlessly and efficiently. Okay, this will be the synonyms. And smoothly antonyms होगा awkwardly. Okay, awkwardly इसका synonyms होगा. स्मूथली का synonyms दो है, effortlessly and efficiently, and antonyms स्मूथली का होगा awkwardly. Okay, oddity का synonyms क्या होगा? Oddity का synonyms है peculiarity and strangeness. Okay, peculiarity and strangeness will be the synonyms, and antonyms will be normality. Okay, normality. Persuade का क्या होगा? परसुएट का मीन्स पहले क्या होता है, कॉज टू बिलीव समथिंग, किसी चीज़ पे बिलीव करना, या लाइक एज यू कैन से दैट सिनोनियम से इट विल बी क्लियर. परसुएट का सिनोनियम्स होगा कन्विंस एंड इन्फ्लुएंस. ओके, एंड इट इज़ वेरी क्लियर एंटोनियम्स ऑफ परसुएट. परसुएट का एंटोनियम्स क्या होगा? It is very clear. You can see in the comments, this helping box. One word is that given very clear to have antonyms of persuade. Okay, that will be dissuade. Okay, dissuade. Now, next, launch. Well, what will be the synonyms of launch? It will be laze and relax. Laze and relax. And antonyms of launch will be slog. Swarming. Swarming का होगा synonyms flocking and crowding. मतलब ये group of means moving in a large and a dense group, ऐसा होता है इसका. Swarming का होगा flocking and crowding. और swarming का antonyms होगा deserted means खाली खाली. Okay. Now let's move to the another exercise, that is animal idioms. Okay, it is like animal idioms. Fill in the blanks with the animal idioms given in the box. First, I will tell you the word meanings of each idioms, and then we'll fill the blanks. So, like a bull in a china shop will be, it means that a person who breaks things or who often make mistakes or cause damages in situation. Okay, मतलब वो किसी भी situation में damage create करता है, and it required to be very careful and behavior way में रहना पड़ेगा. Like a bull in a china shop का मतलब है who breaks anything, means does mistakes. Okay, so that need to be very careful thinking and behavior. Second, put the cart before the horses. It means to suggest something is done contrary to conventional or culturally expected order relationship. It means to suggest something, to do something. Okay, or to do opposite thing for that. Fish out of water means a person is away from his or her usual environment. Means for example, when we are taking out a fish from the water, it is very strange for a fish to live on dry land. Set the cart among the peasants. It means to do or say something that is likely to cause alarm or controversy. Okay, that make people unrest, means uncomfortable feel करवाना. Monkeying around means to waste time to do things that are not useful or serious. Okay, to waste time, it is the actual meaning. And the last one, hold your horses, means to wait. Hold your horses means to wait. Now I want everyone to answer this, because I explained the Hindi meaning of this idioms, animal idioms. Now you have to write it in the comment section. What will be the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth answer, and I will correct that if it will be wrong. Okay. So guys, do this with means by yourself. Comments. Use to give answer this exercise animal idioms. Fill in the blanks and answer it in the comment section. I will check that and I will give you the correct answer. Okay.